Welcome.
Thank you very much.
I think it's all working, but you still have a bit of time. Can you remind me, where do you come from?
We're from Sweden.
Sweden. I think you announced something recently.
Yeah, we do that all the time.
All right, not sharing any secrets. Very cool. So we can get started whenever you're ready.
All right. Hi, everyone. I'm Fredrik Tunberg. I'm really happy to be here. And let's see. Right. I'm the CEO of SaliR. We're Swedish innovators of air quality technology. And our name, SaliR, it has to do with, it's a quiet tribute to Sally Ride, first female astronaut and a strong advocate of getting more girls into studying science. And it also has to do with us bringing down space technology in order to save buildings. So we saw these numbers before, a little bit more moderate than Octopus had, but somewhere around 7 million die every year from bad air pollution. And the days when we open the window to let fresh air in is definitely gone. And it's affecting most parts of the world as well. And at the same time, we spend most of our time indoor. So, and also as we speak, the bad indoor air quality is affecting us heavily. That is spreading the airborne viruses that affects the societies that we want to engage in. So we feel it's definitely time to save the buildings. So imagine a building which is resilient from the outside air pollution. We can go about this by starting to optimize the existing HVAC system. And then we can add technology such as like carbon capture in order to capture carbon, which would allow us to decrease the amount of air that we take into the building, which in turn would create some significant substantial energy savings, because we need less air into the building than we need to treat less air. Once we've captured the CO2, we can send that carbon down to a nearby indoor farm and boost the productivity in that indoor farm. And then we have achieved circular economy inside a building where we trade our carbon for greens. We have developed an cloud-based optimization service platform, which is right now optimizing HVAC units in commercial real estate around Scandinavia. And it optimizes the airflows inside a building, creating energy savings of between 40 to 60% on the ventilation units. That corresponds to roughly 20% on building level. We're also underway in launching our carbon capture technology designed for buildings. And one of our first clients will be the new headquarters that is right now being built in Berlin for Vattenfall. And our technology can be used by any commercial real estate. It can be used on any type of existing system as an add-on. And as you can see from our different pricing models, we try to adjust our pricing so that it can be utilized by small property owners as well as multinational companies. And within our team, we have some key competences regarding physics, engineering, automation, material science, and then of course, business and sales as well. So let's put the focus on where it matters the most, on the air that we breathe and the buildings that we live and work in, and make them smarter. So thank you very much.
All right, 30 seconds ahead of time. Very good. Are there any questions? Not online yet. Offline? In the real world? Question?
We're selling both directly, but also through partners. So we have a partner network, and as Octopus also said, I mean, we're on the way on becoming like OEM suppliers as well for parts of the technology. But yeah.
Questions from Francesco from Covivio. What differentiates yourself from your competitors?
We're a little bit different concerning the optimization, whereas we don't use a digital twin, we don't use that much of AI on the central level on optimizing the indoor air quality. Instead, we are actually more of like HVAC experts. So we know exactly how an HVAC unit will operate, and we can optimize it in real time by doing roughly 2,500 calculations per minute.
Which leads to a clarification questions from Jonas from Sweden. Do your product connect to any HVAC system directly?
Yeah, to any HVAC system directly, or which is more common, to any kind of BMS system or IoT platform. I mean, it's totally up to what is in place.
Okay. Thank you.
Great. Thank you very much.
Well done.
All right.
All right, a bit of time for Dream Member, and Double can get ready.